Meaning of decimal fraction.
Decimal fraction.
Decimal fraction.
Decimal fraction.
Decimal fraction. A decimal fraction is a representation of a fractional number using a decimal point. It is also called a decimal. In this system, the whole part is separated from the fractional part by a decimal point. The fractional part of the decimal represents a portion of a whole, where each digit to the right of the decimal point represents a decreasing power of 10. For example, the decimal fraction 0.75 represents 3/4 or 75%, as the 7 represents 7/10 and the 5 represents 5/100 of a whole unit.